Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your whitening teeth on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, in here you just click on the clip and then click on the end change at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the face, and then after this, in here you just click on the white set, click on it, and after this, in here you can swipe this icon to left or right like this for edit your whitening teeth. And after this, in here, this is the before, this is after, before, after. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to edit your whitening teeth on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.